Here are some of the greatest leaders who ever graced the Philippine government that were bar Topnotchers, arranged according to the year of bar exams. President Sergio S. Osmeña, 2nd place, 1903 bar exams. 4th President of the Philippines from 1944 to 1946. President Manuel A. Roxas, 1st place, 1913 bar exams. 5th President of the Philippines from 1946 until his death in 1948. President Jose P. Laurel, 2nd place, 1915 bar exams. President of the Second Philippine Republic from 1943 to 1945. President Elpidio C. Quirino, 2nd place, 1915 bar exams. 6th President of the Philippines from 1948 to 1953. Vice President Arturo M. Tolentino, 2nd place, 1934 bar exams. Vice President of the Philippines in 1986. President Diosdado P.MACAPAGAL, 1st place, 1936 bar exams. 9th President of the Philippines from 1961 to 1965. President Carlos P. GARCIA, 7th place, 1938 bar exams. 8th President of the Philippines from 1957 to 1961. Vice President Emmanuel and PELAEZ, 1st place, 1938 bar exams. 6th Vice President of the Philippines from 1961 to 1965. President Ferdinand E. Marcos, 1st place, 1939 bar exams. 10th President of the Philippines from 1965 to 1986.